Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious s'mores cookies. They are soft and chewy and just absolutely amazing, and I know you'll love them. So let's get started. I'm going to start this recipe with 1 stick of unsalted butter that's been softened. I'm going to give that a little blend with my mixer before I add my sugar. I've got 1/3 cup of brown sugar and 1/3 cup of white sugar. Give this another mix till it's nice and combined and light and fluffy. I'm going to add 1 large egg, then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to give this a blend until it's nice and incorporated. Now that that's nice and combined, I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, 3/4 of a cup of graham cracker crumbs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, and 3/4 cup of mini marshmallows. Now it's time to give this a blend. I'm going to measure these out to 2-ounce cookies. I always like to measure my cookies because it's just easier. You know, everything is nice and even. You don't have some big and some small. Everybody's got the same amount. And when you're rolling your cookies, you don't want to be real rough with them. You don't want to really overwork the dough. You just want to get them into a nice ball shape. Look at how cute that is already. When you're rolling out your cookies into balls, try to make sure that the marshmallows are either on the inside of the cookie dough or on top. If you put them on the side, they're going to melt down in the oven, and so you may not want that. It will kind of make them look a little less tidy. However, they're still delicious to eat, so if that happens, it's no big deal. They're still absolutely amazing, but aesthetically, if you want them to look a little bit prettier, try to make sure they're on top or in the middle. And I think these are such a great cookie for fall. They're nice and festive. I know everybody's like, it's still July, but fall is right around the corner, and I'm frankly very excited. Matter of fact, I had a debate going with my sister about when fall actually starts. She likes to go by the actual date, like the first day of fall, which is in September. But I think August is like the beginning of fall. That's when things start to feel cozy. I know it's still a little warm in a lot of places. And here in Nashville, it is still hot. But that's when I like to get my pumpkin spice. I like to start pulling out my fall stuff. Let me know in the comments when you think fall starts or when you should put out your fall decor. Got my cookies spread out nice and evenly on a sheet tray, and this is lined with parchment paper. I'm going to refrigerate these for 20 minutes. I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake these for 12 minutes. I'm going to turn the tray halfway through, and look at how they turned out. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.